Hello students, today we are continuing our algebraic identities. Today's identity is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. See here. Now we are come on, first question, expand this 5x plus 1 power 3. Here what is a? A is your 5x. What is b? B is your 1. Then I am going to put the values like a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. A is 5x, b is 1, this 5x 1 according to it. Then see 5 power 3, this is 125 x cube plus 1, this is 15x, and here 5x plus 1. Getting? Now last step, 125x cube plus 1, 15 5s are 75, and x into x is x squared. Don't forget, do it very carefully. And this is your 15x, this is your answer. Getting? Now come on the second question. We have to expand 5x upon 2 plus 1 whole power 3. Then it means what is a is 5x upon 2 and b is here 1. 5x upon 2, b is 1, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. You have to make bracket like this first. Then you have to put the values. This plus 1 and here 5x plus 2 plus 1. Then multiply it. What will come? 125x cube upon 8 plus 1. This is 15x upon 2. Okay. And this as it is 5x upon 2 plus 1. What is the last answer? 125x cube upon 8 plus 1. 15 5s are 75. X square, 2 2s are 4. And here plus then 15x upon 2. This is your answer. Okay, come on the next question. Similar question is there. Question. We have to find out the value of 54 power 3. 54 can I write like this? 50 plus 4. Then a will be 50 and b will be 4. What is a? B. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Getting? Now see, 50 power 3. This is 12530. 4 cube means 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. Okay, 5 4s are 20. This is, it means 250 4s are 200, can I say? No? 200 3s are 600. 600 is here. This is your 54. Okay. Then what will be? 125 000 plus 64. Okay, 6 4s are 24. 2. 5 6 are 30 and 2 32. 2 more zeros. What will be the last answer? This is 4. Then 6. Then 4. Then 5 plus 2 7. 2 plus 3 5 and 1. This is 15764 is your answer. One more we are doing. See here. We have to find out 102 whole cube. So I can split in the way. 100 plus 2. A is your 100 and B is your 2. Now what is our identity? A cube plus B cube plus 3AB in bracket A plus B. A cube is what? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 2 cube is 8. 3 to the 6, 600 is there. Okay, this is your 102. Okay, if I add 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 8 is here. This is your multiplication. 6 to the 12 and 6 1 the 6. Then two zeros will come. What will be our final answer? 1, that is 8, then 0, 2, 1, 6, 0. Yes, come on. The next question is, we have to factorize it. What is given? 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So what I am doing, I am writing like in this way: a cube plus b cube form. This is 2a whole power 3. This is b only. Okay, what is common here? Common is 6ab. Okay, what will be inside? 6 to the 12. 2a plus b will come. Getting? Now this as it is, this as it is. This is our formula actually: a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. A plus b also here as it is. Okay, now again think it. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. It means a should be here. Whatever is a is here 2a. You have to place this a here, 2a, and b you have to place here. Then you check it. 6ab is coming or not? See, 2a into b, 2ab into 3. That is 6ab. Okay, so this satisfies this identity: a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. So I can write 2a plus b whole power 3. It means 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b form. This is your answer. Okay, one more we are doing. See here. 64a cube plus 27y cube plus 144x square y plus 108 xy square. So what to do? A cube plus b cube that we check. This is 4x 3y. Okay, then what is common? For getting common, see, these numbers are big numbers. You have to find the common number with the help of HCF. HCF I have taken by division method. See here, prime factorization method here. By this method I got it HCF. HCF is coming 36. And x is common and y is common. Getting? Now see, what is 36? 4s are 144, and 36 3s are 108. Okay, now I am using identity: a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. In bracket, a plus b is very clear. Here also a and b is very clear. So what is our formula again? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. Then what will be a? A will be 4x and this is y. If I am putting 4x and 3y, then its product 36xy is coming or not, that we see. 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36xy is coming. It means this is right. Now I can write 4x plus 3y whole power 3. This will be 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. This is your answer.